Today, let me introduce you to our corner forming process. Our corner forming machine can handle sheet thicknesses up to 3 mm with a flange height of 30 mm, and it supports corner radii from R2 to R50. Operating the machine is very simple. As you can see, I can complete the process easily on my own. First, we take the pre-bent workpiece and place it into the corner forming machine. Then, just press the foot pedal. The clamps will hold the workpiece firmly in place. The first step is roller forming to shape the material, followed by trimming off the excess material. Now we're already done. In the time it took me to say a few sentences, the process is complete. This is a cold forming process, so there's no heat and no welding marks. That means if you need to paint or powder coat the surface later, corner forming is your best choice.